Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to share with you a very easy and tasty green bell pepper and tofu stir fry recipe from my garden's harvest of green bell peppers. This can be made as a very quick lunch or even a dinner too. Please make sure to watch the video till the end because I've shown you two easy ways of how to use this recipe. Hi viewers, I'm harvesting my green bell peppers today for the lunch. I also have a small red one. Also I'm harvesting two green chilies. try this yummy green pepper and tofu stir fry recipe and let me know if you liked it with chapati or bread. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.